Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Leading dashcam maker Nextbase is out with a new 4K camera for vehicles that includes great features like image stabilization, enhanced night vision, and an extreme weather mode that can produce surprisingly good images in nasty weather conditions. The 622GW has a 3-inch touchscreen, Alexa voice control, and can use What 3 Words for geolocation. There are flexible add-ons for rear or interior cameras too. Beyond that, Nextbase has added the ability for SOS Alerts. Marketing VP Jeff Chuh says it will seek your response if sensors detect a crash, and failing a response,
it will automatically dispatch 911 services, ambulances to your exact location.
Potentially life-saving, and the service is included for the first year. There's more at nextbase.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.